Hi guys, welcome to Seeds Move Mountains. Today we got a lot of projects going on around the house. Putting in the irrigation in our backyard. Want to get the turf and all of the plants irrigated. But I wanted to take this time and give you an update, show you guys an update on where the garden is at now. We finally hit a little bit of warm weather here in Colorado and stuff is starting to grow and starting to sprout, so come check it out.
Alright, so you'll have to excuse the mess because we got a lot of projects happening today, but I wanted to show you guys herbs that are coming up, tomatoes that are growing so nice. Beautiful guys, these guys are really coming up nice now. Look at these beautiful leaves right here. Beautiful guys. And you can see our lettuce, spinach, and kale bed is taking off really well. And we just had hail like 2 days ago, I believe it was, so we ran out here to protect everything. Thankfully it was a small hailstorm and everything did okay. As you can see, we got peas sprouting up, coming out really nice. Look at these guys. And finally we got warm enough that our cucumbers are coming up. One little guy right there. And take a look in this back bed. Look at these guys coming up. We are looking seriously good here. Natalie took a little time today and got some peppers in the ground. Sorry you can't see, we got to trim that junk back there, but you can see this guy here. That guy, beautiful. So it's a work in progress. Cannot wait till everything has come up. We got little guys coming up everywhere we look. Another thing we finished up today was this shed. We did a whole video on why we did this thing. So check that out if you're interested in cleaning up your garage, getting the shed going, organizing your garden. I mean, look at that. We got all that stuff that used to be in our garage. Stuff that carried dirt into the garage. No longer. Those days are over. On Amazon, $225 for this shed. I mean, I'm not going to say it's a Cadillac of sheds or anything like that, but it's definitely a workable shed for us, and for the price, it just makes a lot of sense.
All right, that's all we have. Just wanted to do a quick garden update with what we're doing right now. So send us your comments and tell us what you're doing in your garden. If you got ideas how we can do this better, because for us, we've been doing this for a lot of years, but every year we learn how to do things better. Every year we learn how to make improvements. And one thing we've really focused on is getting our soil right. So we got a couple videos on getting correct soil. So look for those things if you are interested in having the best growth you can out of your vegetables, the best production you can have. And we got a couple tricks up our sleeve for the tomatoes this year. So we'll see, hopefully these things work out for us. So thanks a lot guys. If you haven't yet, subscribe to Seeds Move Mountains, and we have more and more sustainable living, or working towards sustainable living for you guys. Thanks a lot.